Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD, PhD. Today is Friday, February 26, 2021. It is 4:24 and 8 seconds p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today's research, risk of obesity. So let's hop to it here. Genes identified that increase the risk of obesity, but also protect against disease. Date February 26, 2021. Source, University of Copenhagen. The Faculty of Health and Medical Sciences. Summary. Scientists have identified 62 genes that lead to both higher levels of body fat, but a lower risk of cardiovascular and metabolic diseases. These genes may help to keep body fat healthy and open a new avenue for developing drugs that lower the risk of diabetes and heart disease. People living with obesity tend to have unhealthy glucose and lipid levels in their blood, as well as high blood pressure. As a result, they are more at risk of cardiovascular and metabolic diseases. But scientists have observed that up to 45% of people living with obesity have healthy blood pressure and glucose and lipid levels, and therefore may not be at high risk of disease. The reason why this group of people with obesity remain healthy has been poorly understood. Researchers have identified a range of genes that are linked to both elevated levels of body fat, as well as offering protection from some of the negative health impacts of obesity. The researchers say the findings shed new light on the biology that may disconnect higher levels of body fat from higher risk of diabetes and heart disease. The identified genes seem to benefit our health by helping to maintain a healthy fat tissue. Some of the genes may offer targets for the development of new therapies that lower the risk of diabetes and heart disease by improving the health of our fat tissue. The scientists made the discovery by analyzing data from hundreds of thousands of people who had been assessed for their body fat and disease risk markers. The researchers identified 62 sections of the genome that were significantly associated with both high levels of body fat and lower risk of cardiometabolic diseases. Further analysis showed that the genes had a range of functions in the body, including the regulation and development of fat cells, distribution of body fat, as well as energy regulation and inflammation. The researchers used a data-driven approach in this study, which led researchers to find new genes associated with fat tissue health, instead of known obesity genes associated with central nervous system, which control satiety and are typically linked to unhealthy obesity. The researchers say this new knowledge is a step toward a more nuanced approach to treating obesity. Clearly, obesity is a complex disease, and not every individual with excess body weight is equally at risk of developing cardiometabolic diseases. Knowing which genes protect people from developing diabetes and cardiovascular disease will eventually help us better diagnose and treat individuals with obesity. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD, PhD, on microbiology, bioinformatics, and pathophysiology. Well, hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.